Hi there, Nick here at Fairfield Garden Center, and today's unboxing video will be on the Laguna 960 gallon per hour pump. Let's get started. All the Laguna pumps will have a plastic covering that you must cut through first before opening the pump. This one has already been cut open, so now all that needs to be done, pull under the lip, pop it open, and that's it. You see the pump inside here. Pump is actually inside this pre-filter cage, so it doesn't clog up as easily. We also have a multi-hose adapter that clicks right into the front of this fitting. You have 3 different sizes that you can choose from. This size is 3/4, this one is 1 inch, and this one is 1.25 inches. For a 960 gallon per hour pump, you're using 1.25 inches, so simple enough. Use a hacksaw, cut that part off, and that's it. If you would like to reach us, follow us on Facebook, just search Fairfield Garden Center. Follow us on Twitter at NJFGC. Follow us on YouTube at Fairfield Garden Center. You can also sign up for our emails at fairfieldgardencenter.com. Or if you have a question for me, my email is nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.